High Techno Autobiography. When I grew up, my family didn't use a lot of technology. The TV was our favorite, and the Disney movies came with it. One of my first memories of all is my mom telling me how she used to record commercials for me to look at when she needed to do something and she couldn't watch me at the same time. When I was about 6 years old, my dad came home with our first computer. My brother and I loved it, even though we mostly played games with the help of our parents. One game I remember quite well is Lär dig stava. Mom bought us not only fun games, but useful ones. These for spelling and grammar. In a fun way, we could both learn and do something fun at the same time. Years from our first computer until high school went by, and I used modern technique only because everyone else did that. While in high school, I started a new life, almost. A new life where I am now obsessed with computers, phones and cameras. I got my own laptop for school back then and I used it in every class. 3 years later, I couldn't live without it, even if I wanted to. I got my friends online, my school works on the computer, and everything else there too. I even started blogging more seriously when I moved away from home, just to keep contact with those back at home. Today, I live my life together with technology like it's always been there. Deep down, I still remember that's not the case, but in daily life, thoughts like that doesn't really belong. Today, I use my iPod daily. It keeps me company if I don't have anybody to talk to. My computer is my life. That's the one who helps me keep track of my schedule, talk to friends, look at movies, study, yeah, everything you can think of. Without my computer, I guess I would go crazy. In daily life, you don't think about it. But I wonder if I could get through a whole day without using my computer, iPod or phone. I don't think so, and that's a scary thought.